This is a video tutorial of the first part of yesterday, melody and chord arrangement. Okay, so you're going to start out with an F, add 9, F with the 4th finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Okay, for the next note, you're going to lift up your 4th finger, flatten your 1st finger, play that first note, which is an F, then you're going to play the chord. Okay, then you're going to play an E minor 7th. Make sure that you start with the 6th string, go all the way down to the 2nd string, then the notes A and B, and then come down with A 7th. Make sure you're using the 2nd and 3rd finger for the A 7th. 4th finger plays the note, that little note motif. Then a D minor, including the E, which is the melody note. Then D, play once again the D minor. Okay, now we're going to jump here to make it easier to play. B flat, we're at the 6th fret. Then the rest of the chord, we're not barring here. Okay, and now we're going to jump back to the C 7th, going from string 5 to string 2, then string 3. Okay, then A, G, then we're going to make an F suspended, stopping at the 3rd string, lifting up the 4th finger. Okay, playing the A, and then once again strumming an F. With the 4th finger, you're going to put down the 4th finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Okay, then we're going to have a D minor 7th. Okay, then you're going to slide that 2nd finger to the 5th fret for that A note and slide back. D minor 7th shape, starting with a 4th string. It's actually a G. Okay, play the 2nd string, which is a D, then a B flat. Then with the 2nd finger, play the A note, and then play the F chord, which is the D shape at the 5th fret. That's the first part of yesterday.